In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change always on display clock style on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings. We can easily do so by tapping at this gear icon, or we can just swipe down on our home screen and then tap at that gear. Once you are at settings, just scroll down until you find lock screen and AOD. AOD stands for always on display. And that's where we can configure both of these options. Now basically we need to scroll down to the bottom and tap at edit lock screen. Once it is done, tap right here at your current clock widget. And then in that pop-up, select any clock widget from this variety of different styles. Also, by hitting at these circles, you can set different color for your widget here. We can choose from these presets simply by tapping on them. And once it is done, just hit at done to set these clock style for both lock screen and always on display, just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.